Hello and welcome all. I'm sure many of you, like as well as you, would have heard about the Germany Opportunity Card, which is a great opportunity for skilled workers from all across the world to go to Germany for a period of time and then look for a job. So basically, the key takeaways of this visa is that you go to Germany for about a year, and then for that 1 year period, they look for a job, and they have this thing that they can work at a job for approximately 2 weeks, and which is a trial period where they can decide if they want to convert it to a full-time job or not. And then the other benefit is also that till they find a proper job, they can also have the work as part-time workers for approximately 20 hours per week. And basically the long-term benefits of this visa are many, where the applicants can perhaps apply for permanent residency in Germany, and they can also bring in their family members to Germany while they look for when they have finally gotten a permanent job. So basically, this is a great initiative by Germany to bring in skilled workers and to help grow their economy. And so there are basically two pathways through which applicants can qualify. And once they have figured out which pathway they qualify through, they meet the requirements, and then if they are they get the visa, then they go to Germany for a year and then look for a job. So yeah.
So talking about the eligibility criteria, like what I have realized is that the applicants who have done bachelor's, like they are suitable for it. Yeah.
So yeah, you're right about that. That bachelor's is the minimum qualification which the applicants need to apply for this visa. And Germany also has many sectors in demand, like IT professionals and nursing, and at times teaching as well, and other sectors as well. And so if applicants have at least a bachelor's degree in these sectors, and they have the skill set for it, then they will definitely benefit from this visa.
Yeah, like one of my friend, he has done bachelor's in engineering. Yeah, and he has done a job for a couple of years, and he's looking for this job opportunity card. Like he wants to explore the AI sector over there, and we all know that Germany is known for its IT sector.
So yeah, that's right. I mean, he'll greatly benefit from this because Germany has an excellent tech sector, and if he is able to meet all the requirements, and then if he's also able to provide evidence for everything, I'm sure he will benefit from this visa, and he'll be able to look for a job and then contribute to their economy as well.
Yeah, and I think many applicants who have applied for this visa and they have done bachelor's in commerce, or we can say bachelor's in nursing, yeah, they will also find this useful.
Yeah, I'm sure you're right, because as you mentioned, there are many sectors that in Germany where they require more workers, and they are welcome to all these international this thing. And so I think if the skilled workers are able to meet all the requirements, and even though it's not a requirement per se, but if they are able to learn a bit of Germany in the terms of basics of Germany, so it will help them very much in terms of integrating into the workforce better. And if the audience wants to know more about the Germany Opportunity Card, and if they want to know about the requirements, the skill set required, and anything else, they can definitely contact West Highlander Immigration. Thank you.